Telegram download files location. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can figure out where is the Telegram downloaded files location, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now when you open up Telegram, you go to a certain page, you happen to download something by simply tapping the three dots option, then tapping on save to downloads. Where does the Telegram app save these files by default? So where Telegram app saves them is basically you have to open up the file manager app on your Android or iOS, then go to internal storage, then you'll find this option called download. So tap on download. Under download you'll find a folder called Telegram. So whatever you file you download from Telegram will basically show up inside this Telegram folder here. These are the downloaded file locations on Telegram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.